Hello humans, welcome in the flattest channel on the internet. This is the third part of the series of videos in which I designed the motion graphics for this channel intros. Today we'll continue making the motion graphics for the Nerdin Side and the cat. So if you're wondering why today we are making an intro that you have already seen in the past few episodes of the cat, I'm sorry to say that
there's absolutely no logic in what I do.
For everyone else, enjoy the video. I'm Artificial Marvin and you're watching the cat. So today I have to start over designing a brand new intro for my two last shows. As I did in the previous episodes, I will use some pieces of the previous animations to speed up my work. In these particular animations, the circuit will connect respectively with the computer terminal for the Nerdin Side and with the monitor for the cat. So let's begin. After changing the color palette, I extended the circuit animation to the bottom. Then I modeled the terminal window, where I will place the title as it was some code input. So instead of animating it manually, I decided to automate this process. And what is the synonym for automation? Yes, it is code. I think now it's time to go full nerd. The animation I was going for was intended to display a letter at a time until the title was completed. It wasn't complicated at all. To be honest, I just copy-pasted an example from the documentation. I just needed a little tweaking here and there, like adjusting the alignment of the text. At the end, I just wanted the cursor to be appended to the end of the phrase, and as an additional touch, I made it blink as a real cursor in a real terminal would. The only things left were some minor tweaks on the animations, cause they seemed a little bit chunky to me. For this animation, I had just to invert the circuit to go upside. I reused also part of the previous terminal window to build the monitor graphics. The only thing I needed now was a little stick figure animation to let the people understand that it is indeed a video monitor. I know I did a very bad walk cycle, but I don't care. Finally, I added some glitch effect to spice up the animation, and I think I'm finally done. So here it is, the animation for the Nerdin Side. And here it is, the one for the cat. As usual, if you have any comment or suggestion, please comment down below.
What kind of shoes do spies wear? Sneakers. Atheism is a non-profit organization. How do angels greet each other? Halo. I received a message from the sun. It was enlightening.
If you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button. Until the next challenge, thank you for watching, bye humans!